In today's video, we will be making 3 of the most popular non-alcoholic cocktails out there. We're also going to talk about the evolution of the mocktail space or zero proof space because a lot has happened in a very short amount of time. And stay tuned to the very end because we will introduce you to a wide variety of ingredients that you can use to make mocktails, even if you wanted to create your own base spirits. Hi everyone, I'm Chris from A Bar Above. I'm a 15-year veteran of the bar and somebody that loves making fun and interesting drinks. So we're going to make those 3 zero proof cocktails for you here in a second, but before we do, let's go ahead and talk about all of the exciting things that have happened in the mocktail space in a very short amount of time. Now, when I first started tending bar, if somebody asked for a non-alcoholic cocktail, I would look around, see what I had available, and make something. Usually it was a variation of a Shirley Temple, basically fruit juices, syrup, soda water, send it out. It was delicious because it was so sweet, but probably not the best thing in the world to drink. Now, fast forward to present day, and the exciting thing is we have a lot of ingredients that are created to make proper, interesting adult-style mocktails with zero alcohol. So we're going to talk about some of those ingredients here in a second, but now let's go ahead and make some drinks, shall we? So the very first cocktail we're going to make for you is the Aperol Spritz. So we're going to go ahead and grab our wine glass, and to that we're going to add 2 ounces of this product here, which is Lyre's Italian Orange. This did win Spirit of the Year or Cocktail Ingredient of the Year from Tale of the Cocktail in 2022, so there's no alcohol in it. It's pretty exciting to see. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 ounces right into our wine glass there. Then we're going to add 3 ounces of this non-alcoholic sparkling wine. We have a lot of fizz in here, so there we go. Then we're just going to add a splash of soda water to it as well. And that's going to really boost the carbonation, make it a lot more vibrant as well. Finally, we're just going to top it off with some ice. And to garnish, we're just going to add an orange and give it a quick stir. So there we have the Aperol Spritz. The second cocktail that we're going to make for you is the Strawberry Daiquiri. So to make the Strawberry Daiquiri, we're going to go ahead and get our shaker tin. We're going to get 2 strawberries, which I went ahead and cut, toss them in there, and just give it a quick muddle. And so now we're just going to go ahead and build the rest of the cocktail on top of those muddled strawberries. So we're going to do 2 ounces of rum. This is Lyre's zero proof rum here. 3/4 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And we're just going to go ahead and shake this. And the last thing to do is go ahead and garnish this. So we're just going to add a slice of strawberry, and we're going to eat the other one. There we are, Strawberry Daiquiri. The final cocktail that we're going to make for you today is a non-alcoholic Pina Colada. So to make that, we're going to go ahead and build everything right inside of our shaker tin. So now we're just going to go ahead and add ice and shake it. So now comes the fun part. We're going to go ahead and make some pebble ice for our cocktail. that is a fun way to get out a little bit of your anxiety. It's pretty good. All right. So we're just gonna add some pebble ice or crushed ice to our glass here. And we're just gonna go ahead and garnish with a couple of pieces of pineapple leaf. There we have it, our Pina Colada. So as you can see with the ingredients that we used to make this video, there are a lot of options out there for non-alcoholic ingredients. First of all, the wine that we use, the sparkling wine, to all the base spirits that we use in these cocktails. There's also a really fantastic non-alcoholic beer scene, and it's come a long ways from when I was drinking non-alcoholic beers. Now, the thing I'm most excited about is, for the first time that I know of, they have a bitter company that is making fantastic non-alcoholic bitters, so definitely check out All the Bitter. Now, if you want to go down the rabbit hole, you can definitely make your own base spirits. It's definitely a jump from where we are now, but I highly recommend it. So we just launched a course over at abarabove.com called Mastering Mocktails, where we go from the beginning of just buying stuff off the shelf all the way down the rabbit hole of producing and making your own base spirit alternatives. So head on over to Abarabove and you can find the course there. There we have it. We have made 3 popular non-alcoholic cocktails for you. We've talked about the evolution inside of the mocktail space and how far we've come, and we've highlighted some ingredients that are available to you to make really interesting non-alcoholic adult beverages. So if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon, and you will get notified anytime we release a video similar to this one. Until then, I hope you are enjoying your favorite zero proof cocktail. Cheers.